Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
One of my favorite tech gadgets of the year has been Klydoclock. It is a digital clock designed to display art or nature or even whimsical videos, all while keeping time with an hourly chime and a digital pendulum. There's no subscription required, and the selection for the display seems endless. And now the company has created Klydo Collections in partnership with a variety of artists. VP of Creative and Content, Ben-Yshay.
It's about 12 or more animations in a themed set of content that you could download. I like to liken it a little bit like to iTunes. So if an animation was a song, this would be an album of animations.
We love it. Find more at Klydoclock.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com or just click on the link at techstination.com.